Today, we will talk about source monitoring error. It occurs when we misattribute the origin of a memory. Imagine recalling a fact, but forgetting whether you read it in a reputable scientific journal or talked about it in a casual conversation with a friend. To understand this better, let's break it down. Source monitoring is the cognitive process by which we determine where our memories come from. It involves evaluating details like the context in which a memory was formed, the sensory or emotional information attached to it, and how consistent it is with other knowledge we hold. When this process fails, we end up misattributing memories to the wrong source. One common type of source monitoring error is called a reality monitoring error. This happens when we confuse something we imagined with something that actually occurred. For instance, you might remember locking your front door because you pictured yourself doing it, only to find later that you left it wide open. Another type is source confusion, where we mix up the origin of externally presented information. Have you ever been convinced that a particular anecdote happened to a friend, only for them to tell you it was their friend's story, not theirs? That's external source confusion at work. A related phenomenon is called cryptomnesia. This occurs when we mistakenly believe an idea or piece of information is our own original thought, when in reality we've encountered it before and simply forgotten the source. For example, a songwriter might create a melody that they later discover is strikingly similar to one they heard years ago,